Sarah, I understand that you have 2 enrolled agents here at Oso on staff 24/7 virtually, especially at this time of the year. But what does that mean? What is an enrolled agent? What do they do?
Well, let me tell you. Let's look at the IRS website.
Okay.
It says it the best.
Okay.
It says enrolled agents, like attorneys and certified public accountants, have unlimited practice rights. This means they are unrestricted as to which taxpayers they can represent, what types of tax matters they can handle, and which IRS offices they can represent clients before. Which means we have unlimited rights to practice in front of the IRS, to handle your tax matters, to go to tax court for you, to, when you get that notice,
Right.
bring it in. We will go to bat for you.
Which has got to be, because people get these all the time. It's not unusual that people are getting notices from the IRS. It's probably more common than not. And so the first thing that people are going to do is have a nervous breakdown. Yep. But literally, they don't have to. You don't have to sweat this situation alone because they bring it into you.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of people who do their taxes elsewhere. They think, oh, I'm going to save some money on my my accounting. And so they go someplace who doesn't charge very much. But then they end up paying in the long run, and they bring that stuff in here. So we go with the IRS for a lot of different issues and for a lot of different customers.
And presumably you must quite enjoy it because you do it so well. It's such a professional environment here and yet so friendly towards your customers. What else can you tell us about the IRS and how to handle these problems?
It's always fun. I can tell you I get a personal satisfaction out of someone bringing in a bill for $30,000 plus, and then we wipe it out, and it's just like, yes.
She loves her job.
I do. I really do.
She really does. But everybody does here at Oso.
They do. We really love our clients. Yeah. And we have a lot of services here. If you want to save money on something,
Well, look, it's like this. If you want to save money on something, this is not the place to be thinking that you can save money. You can go to a cut price accounting place that may initially look, oh, this is great, look at what they're saving me. But down the road, there's usually going to be problems.
There is. Yeah. And, a good accountant pays for itself. So
that's actually excellent advice. Say that again to us, Sarah.
I said a good accountant pays for themselves. Usually we find those deductions. We find those little things that you're not looking for, those expenses, those deductions. And, we usually save you more than what we're charging. So.
Well, that's it right there, isn't it? That's what it all boils down to. People want a good deal, and yet you may be getting a good deal. You may not be getting the top customer service that you will be getting here. So come on in. Let them, you do this free consultation right up until you press the button to submit.
Yep.
That's free.
Yep. Until then, it's free. Come in. Let us put your numbers in. If you have past years that you're not quite sure about, bring them in. We'll review them. There's no cost for us to look those over to let you know if there's anything that can be done.
Right. So now is not the time to be delaying. This is a good time to get in and see you, isn't it?
Yeah. You know what? It is. And we're here all year. So you can come in anytime, and we're here to help.
Okay. So you need some help with your most of us do at some point or another. I hate to say it, but most of us do. Come on down here to Oso and see Sarah and the staff here, and they will do everything in their power, I promise, to help you. Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome. Thank you.